So when I first started for consultancy, I talked to Dr. Kapadia online. It was a very good response from him. He shared everything, what I'm expecting and all the procedure. And then that was the pre-treatment thing. My name is Manish Sharma. I'm from New Jersey, USA. I have this baldness problem from last about 4 to 5 years. One of my friends recommended Dr. Kapadia. I searched, their profile online, and I made an appointment. And today I had this hair transplant done. It went successful. I feel good. Yeah, I'm expecting the results within 6 to 8 months. So when I first started for consultancy, I talked to Dr. Kapadia online. It was a very good response from him. He shared everything, what I'm expecting and all the procedure. And then that was the pre-treatment thing. Today I went through procedure, since morning. They have explained everything. All went through well. We had break time to time. They were explaining me. They are asking, how I'm feeling, how is it going. So it went very well. All I can say that those who are, considering, I would recommend Dr. Kapadia. They should at least consult with them, and I'm pretty sure that they'll be happy. So very thankful to them, and they can definitely contact them online. They have details available online, so they can contact them directly.
Are you worried about your hair loss problem? Subscribe to our channel for expert advice from qualified doctors. Avenues Cosmetic is here to help, and the latest updates on quality hair transplant treatments. And if you're facing hair loss issues, book your consultation with us today for the right solution.